Alright everybody, today I'm at One Raffles place. Many times I passed by this area but I had never really explored, so let's try explore this area. I saw many like shops already. Polar Cafe, oh that's nice, they have a cafe here. You can enjoy a curry puff. Before that, let's check out here. Wow, there's a Tun Xiang Hokkien noodles, check out the price. Not indicated but wow, the daily cut. It's like a Japanese street and the bird cage. But then there's one thing a bit dark here. Waffles. Plain from $2.30 onwards. Oh, all these cakes, man. Swiss roll. Tip top is curry puff. I thought I never saw this before. First time. I thought there's only no Changi in Singapore, but apparently there's a tip top here. Next we have the Tiong Ho Specialty Coffee. You check out this part. Urban Mix by Bartels. Hey, the cafe was quite big. Quite nice, but there's nobody here. Only taking a break. Fun Toast. Opening promotion. All ice cream $2.30. But only like 4 tables. Hey, bar cook. I thought bar cook is not pastry. Hey, but there's some nice bread. I thought bar cook is more like you know, the cooked food. Oh, this one is another one. 酸太子麻辣烫 from China. You know, 太子 in English means prince. 太子is a Chinese word. And next is Pasta Express. So most of the restaurant here are very, I mean the cafe here quite small size, compact. And depending on the time, right, then it make it crowded or not so crowded. I like the banana. I saw this one. And this one round back to the Raffles place. There are a few entrances to come here. Just like I came from K, right? This one is L. And next is OT Hut. So wonder what they're selling, man. They're kopi. And also some of the black coffee, black tea, milk coffee, milk tea. Grains and Co. Teriyaki chicken, rosemary. Then we have Superstar, what the name? Wow, very nice. Yeah, popiah, sesame chicken, wasabi, and sweet Thai chicken and more. We have stews also. Stews, then with the Ya Kun Kaya toast. Oh, I missed out this 新元记 the fish soup. And then patrons are walking one more around because I missed out a few small cafes and restaurants. But behind me is a Ya Kun, so they end there, no more restaurants. This side. Oh, you got nasi lemak, ayam taliwang. Stop paying too much. Free for coffee and tea. $1. So you pay $1. And this one is a mami or something. Mixed brown rice. And this one is fruit juice SF. Nami no Hana Japanese restaurant. Yakitori Mento on $12 onwards. Wow. Let's see what they have next. I think the office people walking around here has a lot of choices for food. You know, there's also Clifford Center, Raffles Exchange. I came from there, right? So, yeah, I think that's about it. If you guys enjoyed the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I'll see you guys in the next video and take care everyone. Bye bye.